Hi YouTube, I'm back and I am here to do an unboxing review. I was recently contacted by Loks Hair. They're a company on AliExpress to review some hair of theirs. I just received a package. I haven't opened it yet. I want to do that with you guys. So it came in a FedEx and it took 2 to 3 days to get here. Okay, so the hair came in a plastic bag, literally a plastic bag. Okay, so what I got a lace closure, and this is in big wave, and it came in a plastic Ziploc bag like this, and this is 14 inches, and this is 7A grade hair. I also got a 14 inch, and it also came in a plastic bag, not a Ziploc, but a plastic bag. This one is 14 inches. I got 16 inches. And I got 18 inches. So I'm going to open it up for you so you can see the hair close up. So this is the lace closure. And the hair color is a natural brown. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very pretty brown. And the closure is a 3x5. This is the closure top. It doesn't look like, it's not see-through obviously, so it's not, or transparent I should say. The hair is soft. I got a hair. The hair is very soft. The wave pattern is very pretty. The lace just looks different to me. The stitching and the scalp is what's throwing me off. But I'm going to be using concealer anyway, so I'll just put concealer over it. The measurements are 3x5 and the closure piece is 14 inches long in a big wave. This is the 14 inch. The hair is very soft. I'm not getting any shedding on this bundle here. The wave pattern is very pretty. I think it's going to be very pretty once it's all separated. The hair is wrapped in a hair tie. This is the bundle. This is the weft right here. So this is the hair. I have it flipped over. So it's about almost arm to arm length, so double that. And the weft construction is pretty nice. I like that. I don't know if you can really see it though. Well, you can see the bear. Here it is right here. Stops right there. The wefts are very thick and very well constructed. I like the pattern of the hair. I love the curl pattern. So this one is the 16 inch. I'm 5'3". So it comes right below my boob, but I'm going to have this most likely in the middle portion of my head. The bundle, it's a lot of hair. That's one thing I am liking so far. Like, it's going to be a lot of hair. So this is the 16 inch bundle and I have it flipped over again. It's the same amount as the 14 inch. So this is the 16 inch bundle. It's a lot of hair. The weft construction is very nice. I don't see any hair sticking out of the wefts. This is the 18 inch. And it comes at my belly button, right above my belly button. This is the wefts construction. But the hair is very, very pretty. The hair is very thick. I'm not going to unravel this one just because by the looks of it, it looks like the same exact amount as the 14 and the 16 inch hair or bundle. And I can see from here that the weft construction is nice. No more shedding. I don't know. So the shedding, I got a couple of strands of hairs from taking out the pack, and this hair doesn't have a smell, but so far I do like the hair. It's very, very gorgeous. The wave is so pretty, and the ends, these are the ends. I think they're very nice. I don't like when hair is very thick starting from the root, and it starts to thin out at the bottom, and I don't see that with this hair at all. It looks very, very beautiful. I'm already loving it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to co-wash the bundles. I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back and let you know how it looks once it's air dried, and see if it still looks like this or if it loses its curl pattern or whatnot. So yeah, your girl got some plans with this. What I'm going to be doing is making a wig out of this using the hot glue gun method, and I'm going to sew down this closure, which is what you should always do. Don't ever put a hot glue gun or hot glue to your closure. You will ruin it. I will come back with an initial review on the hair. I will leave links below to where you can purchase the hair and all of those things, and they also have an Instagram page, so I'll leave that below too. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, peace. 2 fingers.